I don't want to sound like a broken record, but in some way, but and there's a new twist. The same story, but Reverend Usu Bempa had the new twist. Or see when your new vision. Na vision on the tintin in the TT and say, Mahama can never be president again. Hey, I say, oh, Ghana so for be queen. Hey, Reverend Usu Bempa say, Mahama want to me and your president, Biom. Ewo Ghana ha say nti wo a wo tie me wo efutuo bi a wo de ebema Mahama yesre se efutuo no fa koma no na pa se Mahama ebeba be dane president ewo Ghana ha pa biom pa de e ya de anyankopon kra ebe mensa atoso se Mahama there is no way he will become president in this country again. Now a lot of people claiming to be seeing things in the spiritual realms are telling us a lot of different things. Now, you don't even know who to believe or who to see. Say we and a kind of cray, we and a old chantro. Nini name no. I was say train na December. Say ebia coronavirus no. A quakra na December ya to aba. I was say train na AC ansana because the kind say sa coronavirus nanka enye ende nanka by this time political parties na share see say wo mo be campaign ene nyama bebre na asem we are Reverend Usu Bempa kan no wo kan e wo Kesben FM eye Kumasi based na Kesben ho no presenter bia na journalist bi wo ho ye friend no Oman Hene enye enkran Oman Hene no enye multimedia Oman Hene no omo Oman Hene bi e wo ho na wo no e na Reverend Usu Bempa ene na twetwe nkomo a wo kan same way. I'll quote out in some Reverend Usu Bempa wo kan ye na Ghana for muhu di nti a Reverend Usu Bempa okan sa anansema Reverend Usu Bempa kan ye pote na nkwanko ye se me ena metina baby ena me de asem aba be she Reverend Usu Bempa num dabi nti no let me just give quotation ye we are a lot of people this particular story America ho asem a no a lot of people go call Kesben for no website Kingdom FM for website ni nyama a lot of people are commenting on this. A lot of people, over 200 comments are ever on same way so. Ebi mo di na tem, ebi mo di na tem. That's it. Ngofo kan say baby, but me person me quote in some wa kan no. Na brofu mu me quote wi na ya church ase na mo ehu. Reverend Usu Bempa vision fofra was say we hu. Tie, o say Mr. Mahama cannot be Ghana's president again. In the spiritual realm, I saw the thrones of world leaders firmly standing, and I saw the throne of President Nana Addo Dankwa among the seats of world leaders. The first paragraph, no. Now, me explain paragraph by paragraph. Na munya mwati asye. Dear Reverend Usu Bempa eka and say, wo ra sun wiase mu senya wo moka no no. Na wo ra sun wiase mu no. Wo hun se ekonwa ahemfo wo mo ekonwa wo motena so na brofo your friend the thrones ohun say ewiase ni na wo mo ya president wo aman bebre no wo mo ekondwa wo mo etena so no na president no ejinejina nchen inti yamfa no say Burkina Faso wo hu mo president se no ujina ne konwa nchen Donald Trump hu se no ujina ne konwa nchen che say ewiase ni na wo hu ye na wo hu say President Akufo-Addo na wo no so ejina ne konwa nchen. That's the first paragraph. In the spiritual realm, of course, spiritual realm, no, and only idea wo here. What you also in the second paragraph, no say, and when I entered another realm in the spirit, not to say spiritual realm, the kind of level so into a rather the first level, no, when who say I have man penny in here, agent, womokunya and chain, and the mokunya and the home. And now a honor or sanso in the spiritual realm, or sanso bomu. Another realms in the spirit. Me, I don't know realms in the spirit, so I don't know whether this is true or not. It was also another realms in the spirit. And I was saying, I saw former world leaders who can't be presidents again. Okay, you read the entrance. I see. I saw. My name is mystery. I say, I saw former world leaders who can't be presidents again. Such people had their thrones turned upside down to indicate that their former glory days were over. Was see in the spiritual realm now, call ya who say Nane Kufado Ejin and the Konya Hono was also another spiritual realm and a who or more di presidents da. Womonso Ejina Ekonyaho. Na sa presidents a wo hu womo no womo yenkrofo bia womo entumi mbedi president biom omo mbre etwem. Omo mbre etwem. Na de ohu ye ene se womo ekonwa no esan se ana instead se womo ekonwa no ebetina ho normal te se ne ekonwa ewo ho ankrofo tena so no daabi na ankrofo we ekonwa no in the spiritual realm no ebutu te se mahama ekonwa no na ebutu upside down. Na eno intrasia ne say they can never be presidents again. I don't understand spiritual matters, so I can't explain spiritual matters. Reverend Osu Bempase was a spiritualist into your explaining, no problem, nothing spoiled. We will not also say significantly, Mr. Muhammad's throne was among the thrones that were turned upside down. So that is a clear message from God that Mr. Muhammad can never be Ghana's president and nothing can change this fact. The work can say, Omwa impenyefo wiase impenyefo a wo mekonya no ebutu no na Muhammad de eka ho. Na eye clear message anyankopon e ka tre wono Osu Bempa se Muhammad want to me enye president biom. E na bibie ni ho a we betumi asesa fact no. Eno ene nsemo a Reverend Osu Bempa kan e. Wakatre wo man hene e wo Kumasi based Kesden FM. Etiefo wase I only state what God has revealed to me. Wase wo no Reverend Osu Bempa de nyankopon eyi atre ne nkoa e na oka. De nyankopon eyi atre ne nkoa na oka wono de wote se bibi fi nenum aba e nyankopon e na eyi atre no. Yeti o man we mu. And Reverend Osu Bempa Beka say, okay, oh dear, I'll actually not pass that comment because I'll not pass that comment. But in some Reverend Osu Bempa, they are too Johnny. I don't even know what to say. They need the Mecca. Hey, why would say me I will be Mahama? Mesre ko katra Mahama say wono de boni bia wa ye Reverend Osu Bempa no won konkopa ne chowai o de mesre wa wo tie me a wo ben Mahama no o de katra Mahama say wono de boni bia wa ye Reverend Osu Bempa no won pen krofo enko Reverend Osu Bempa hono mon kopa ne chow because me pass me ni fi ya me say Reverend Osu Bempa kasafa e mampanyi ho e wo Ghana ha say ne kre Menti se Reverend Osu Bempa aka sempa pe bi afa Mahama hoda. And that's just the truth I'll tell you. Se Reverend Osu Bempa aka sempa pe bi afa Mahama ho amesre fa link no to comment box ni mu mame. Na me ankasa me sanso ye video enkasa wo ho. As far as I am concerned, menti se Reverend Osu Bempa aka sebe inkrachi sem ana asempa pe bi obeka sende de even Kennedy Japan Eya ye can ye see bibia wo de bibia now de Canada Japan din ebem me de din bebem because wo ye nipa wo ye titru what I say even Canada Japan na eya wono so eka nsembone fa Mahama ho no na nsenya wo man FM wono kra ka say we die meka Mahama wo ya ade say wo ba bonten ebe support Ekufuado ana wo be support Ghana e wo sa coronavirus nsense mi Canada Japan na nkasa kan say we die Mahama ya ade but Reverend Osu Bempa de Menti se Mahama ye ade papa bia Reverend Osu Bempa kan ho asem da de bia ase wo twen owo hwa 3 months na wabeto bomb afa Mahama ho owo hwa na wabewe from late last year to this year in some Reverend Osu Bempa kan fa Mahama ho na nye bini ye wo ho na ye hu video se Reverend Osu Bempa ko chia Mahama ema chese obi a wone Mahama nam ampene embrace ade ni si ya na Reverend Osu Bempa call na sorry e no ko kan e say we die na me ko chia Mahama but wo bia wo ben Mahama no wama ade ne nsi e ma Mahama ne kra aka tre say nipa kro ne say de nipa ko ne ye no wanya de another day twemu a Reverend Osu Bempa ya 70 ya wokotena na asore kan say we die nya Mahama fault na nipa ko a wone Mahama nam ne na ye no afa Reverend Osu Bempa ko sesa na no kra e ko kan say we mpo de sise breaker Mahama na sha ase na ye piano e kikan sem bebre and check within that time our family see ya na 2 days after Reverend Osu Bempa still e wona sorry one of the service e kan say wo manpe Ghana former president bia adeswade hu ni bi e da nani so wo bo pa say wo bekun wono Reverend Osu Bempa obekun Kennedy Japan obekun Wuntumi obekun Abronye say na wo bi anim say Mahama ho asem na no wo kan wo say Mahama din poto Ghana for bae ebe ba hye no wo say mupu de ebe mo wanwa ebia na nipa kwa America ne ho asem kra ebe mo wanwa kra say enye Mahama e hona Ghana former president ayewo eye Mahama sorry nyamkopon fa ni kransie ye former president ayewo still they are alive no eye Mahama Rawlings ena Kufuor wo mu ne efre mo John ena wo say nipa kwa wo pese wo kun no eniso ade hu no esanso da nani so tese wo sanso pese wo be da ne president wo mu ni na wa biom ena wo sanso pese wo be da ne president enye Mahama pe o kan se tese asamo and we were in this country embra eja hihye ekoso e wo Ghana min kai omomutie me ya but ye ne kai June 4th hawa esiye e wo Ghana nkrofu sunye ne nyama ye wo ha ne eti se Reverend Osu Bempa ebe bo Mahama din se sunsun bia Mahama akoje eno na trese wo mu abeji o mu moja ende Akufo do wo so eja hihye e wo kentampo kwan so nkrofu nya accident na eja ekun omo so far sa accident ni mukura close to 100 people ye kan tu ni a ye de abomu a close to 100 people eno de Reverend Osu Bempa amba abonti ambeka se Akufo Addo na ono so akoji bibi. You see how we are very dishonest to ourselves. Now Ekrom has a won. Ekrom has a say na Reverend Osu Bempa kan ene Mahama be lusu. Wo de ma elections ne mbra. Na Mahama be wini ni ehwe asema wo mu nia wo mo beba beka. Ma elections ne mbra na Mahama wini keke. Ni ehwe asema wo mu nia beba beka. Endra me kan asem ba ko. Me say me personally de ntia me mpe Mahama asem ene say wo pene e mankrofo sai ni din dodo. De bia ye sorry a ye me personally de bia me sorry a me bo Kennedy Japan echi say ensem bia wo ba bonten e beka no enye ubon say without evidence no wa beka nsem asay nkrofo din obekwa kohwem kra na enye ne kra. And I give you various examples even MP before wo de ayomo na bi kra wo de ye no say ni din so wo ye galanse later and obehu say enye ne kra. They be a cancer answer no, but one positive thing na obe to me apply from Kennedy Japan and say one thing na how Emma will be embassy ni din Kennedy Japan who say will be be cancer fan ne ho na nya ne krepe no na radio so kasa unity if you asem ni mu. And that's one good thing about Kennedy Japan na me pe me kan ne na tremo even though sometimes some a work no me can say enye, but that's one good thing about him and me pe. Ade a me pe wo Mahama ho no wo betena se ne ase ni din sa apoto wonya hwe nipa ba ko ewu Ghana ha se ewu a ye de ato so enye bini na so wo be ye hwe han na wo hwe ni ase ni din sa apoto former president is a diplomatic master still you have people who can come out and speak for you. Reverend Obofo mo and then Reverend Obofo we say 2020 wo bia wo be ba bonti abese ni din bia no ne obeye ba hye wo sofo beduko bi mu ene Reverend Osu Bempa mo sa wo be say omudin a so wo mo amba mountain embe yi omo ho ano kra na wo be hu ne say wo mo nkola beba nti Mahama be so tem say wo ni akola bia pe wo bi ye say udin a no wa ba mountain na ne ba kono so abekasa ma na Ghana fo de sa na yete ye say udin na wo ye kompe ye beka say ne kre sa na Ghana yete. That's one thing about Mahama I don't like. ɛno nti nkrɔfo bɛsɛ ne din saa owuo ne yɛde hyɛ ne so krono ne yɛde hyɛ ne so na ɔno nso ayɛ kom saa no wɔ hɛ montra mo adwe wɔ comment box ne matiefo me da ase